In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Microsoft Teams meeting ID. Whether you're working from home or coordinating virtual meetings, knowing your meeting ID is crucial to ensure everyone has the correct access and avoids delays. Let's go through the steps to find it quickly and efficiently. First, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not logged in yet, open your web browser and navigate to the Teams login page. Enter your email address and password, making sure you use the account that hosts the meeting you're interested in. Logging in correctly is essential because it allows Teams to recognize you and give access to all your meetings and settings. Once logged in, navigate to the calendar. On the left-hand side of the Teams interface, you'll see a menu with several icons. Look for the calendar icon and click on it. This will bring up a view of all your scheduled meetings. Your calendar acts like a personal assistant, keeping everything organized and accessible. Now, scroll through your upcoming meetings and locate the one you want the ID for. Selecting the correct meeting ensures you have the right information to share with participants. Click on the meeting to open its details. Next, look for the Edit button, usually at the top of the meeting details screen. Clicking Edit allows you to access more options and settings that may not be immediately visible. You're not changing anything, just diving deeper into the meeting settings. Scroll down carefully within the meeting details until you see the meeting ID. It may be slightly hidden, so take a close look. The meeting ID is a unique identifier you can share with attendees. Make a note of it or copy it to share easily. And there you have it. You now know how to find your Microsoft Teams meeting ID. Whether you're hosting a webinar, a business meeting, or a virtual hangout, having this information ready ensures smooth communication and keeps your meetings running on time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.